Hey everyone, I'm Ameer Hamza Khan, founder and CEO of PyGen Group, and today I'm excited to introduce something that will change the way a small businesses, small startups and developers approach software. हम कह सकते हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक ऐप नहीं, ये एक मूवमेंट है, एक डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन है जो रेडीमेड सॉल्यूशंस के कॉन्सेप्ट पर बेस्ड है। Traditionally, building software has been slow and costly. Businesses approach agencies, explain their ideas, design, and wait for weeks for custom solution, right? And हर project एक नई शुरुआत होती है, right? सब कुछ from scratch they have to build और फिर वो वर्क नहीं करता, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है वो रह जाती है, लिमिटेड हो जाती है। Now, imagine ready-made solutions for software just like ready-made clothing. You pick a shirt, it fits, and if you need, you can make like small adjustments and just wear it. And MSF bring the same principle to the web app. Small, focused micro SaaS products that are ready to deploy and easy to adjust. Each app is created, tested, refined, and made available immediately, and businesses can connect their own Google Sheets for use, or you can also use simple data systems. हम इंश्योर करते हैं कि हर ऐप लाइट फास्ट एंड यूजर फ्रेंडली हो. Today, MSF is our internal hub. Soon, we will open it for other developers. You can submit ideas, create web apps, and publish them on the platform. It will be like a marketplace, just like App Store, Google Play Store, and uh, uh, Microsoft Windows App Store. So same as for micro SaaS product. MSF is not just software; it's a new way of thinking about technology. जो स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को अब कस्टम डेवलपमेंट के लिए मतलब वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. डेवलपर्स कैन क्रिएट इम्पैक्टफुल टूल्स and that reach hundreds of businesses. Technology become accessible, practical, and human centric, right? This is just the beginning. PyGen Micro SaaS Factory will grow, improve, and expand our mission. Our mission is very simple: make software as easy as wearing ready-made shirts. हम इनिशिएटिव करते हैं कि डेवलपर्स, स्मॉल बिजनेसेस और इनोवेटर्स को एक ज्वाइन करें, जो ज्वाइन करें फिर वो एक्सप्लोर करें और अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करें विद पाइथन एमएसएफ. सो there are also scope of real innovation. So yeah, and ready-made e-solutions जो है वो आपको मतलब डिजिटली आपको प्रोवाइड करा जाए. तो ये एक तरीके का, जो मैंने क्लोथ का एग्जांपल लिया, it's best for that fit. And also, so yeah, mainly this is it. It's Python MSF is not just like a platform or something, but it has potential to be the platform, to be the, you know to be the forum for innovation. Such the other developers when contribute, they can suggest ideas, they can refine their ideas, they can work on it, they can make apps based on their ideas. So Python MSF is really a type of forum that will be also helpful to developers, students, and also to others who are just learning and all. And yeah, but it's gonna change that how we use technology right now, how we are doing right now, and in India especially. See how many AI you can bring to the market, but Indian people, Indian local businesses don't know how to use AI. It's real, right? So it, it it's gonna be the change, and it's really be helpful to the our every local business users, right? Yeah. So that's it, and I hope you like this video. And also, we are right now testing our Ask It app that is under PyGen MSF, and it's in beta testing with our one of the coaching partners. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.